You are seeing doubles of the flashback of the Grave Digger mud truck. Now, the one on the left-hand side was one that I uploaded as a review because I didn't have another one to open up and have it out of the case. So this one I got off the Monster Jam Superstore, and then I uploaded the video on December the 24th of last year. And this one over here I bought off of someone from Monster Truck Trading Post, I believe, from a Facebook group. And so it is the 2017 new look of Grave Digger. You could see Flashback series number 5 of 6. And then this one over here, the card is a little bit different that I got from the Monster Jam Superstore. It has the 5 of 6 of Flashback over there in the left hand corner, and then there's the 2017 new look up there in the right hand corner of the card. So we're gonna open this one up here that I got the other day. On the back there, real quickly, we have Barbarian in the X-ray body, Captain's Curse in the chrome. There's Grave Digger, Mohawk Warrior, Tour Favorites. We have Son of a Digger and Tour Favorites, Max D in the chrome, Soldier of Fortune, Black Ops in the Epic Editions, and Iron Man in the Marvel Heroes. Alright, we'll start off with the team flag here. Grave Digger. Here is the team flag. Just says Grave Digger with the Hot Wheels logo in the middle. And on the other side, Grave Digger with the Monster Jam logo in the middle. Here is the truck itself. And look at this, it has the yellow wheels, it has the BKT Hot Wheel tires. These are like the Monster Jam tires, but on the original truck it had smaller, I would call them mud tires. So that's not as accurate, but even though this is an awesome piece of Monster Truck Grave Digger history right here. Has the Hot Wheels logo and the Monster Jam logo, the new Monster Jam logo. It has that Grave Digger name in yellow. Coming around to the front, there's what the front looks like. It has the smokestacks coming out right there, and look at that, it does have Dennis, his name, on the side of the truck. I'll have to get real close up. There you have it, Dennis, and the Grave Digger name in yellow. There's the smokestacks coming out. On this side now, there's the Monster Jam logo, the Hot Wheels logo. And on the back, there's the tailgate. Now on the tailgate, it's supposed to say, "We ain't bad, but the bad don't mess with us." And for some reason, they don't have that on the tailgate. Probably because it would be so small to put on there. That's my only guess. But yeah, this is an awesome throwback truck. And we'll put the team flag on. Probably you have seen many reviews, or one review already of this truck since it came out last year. But it's pretty cool to have the team flag on it. And this is my first truck of this vehicle style, because I never picked it up in the past years. There was like a mud style of it, and probably other styles that that doesn't come to my mind right now. But anyways, finally got now 2 of them. So pretty cool. So that does it with this review. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button.